This video covers window details over OSB after Blueskin VP100 installation. For a complete guide to installing Blueskin VP100 and window detailing, download our installation guidelines at www.henry.com. First, inspect and prepare the substrate as required by the technical data sheet. On both sides of the window opening, cut the Blueskin VP100 in an I configuration. Measure approximately the width of the stud from the inside edge of the window along the top and bottom and make a horizontal cut. Then make a vertical cut from top to bottom. Wrap the material around the window opening to cover the full extent of the jamb. Once completed, remove any excess material. Before proceeding with the flashing, prime the substrate as necessary. Next, measure flashing to the length of the sill plus an extra 6 inches for each end. Re-roll the pre-cut flashing and begin applying to sill, starting 6 inches up the jamb and running it across to the other side, finishing 6 inches up the opposite jamb. Be sure to get the flashing in tight to the corner so as not to interfere with the window installation. Slit the protruding ends of the flashing and fold down to extend onto the face of the sheathing board parallel to the window opening. Roll the entire application. Install corner patches, commonly referred to as bow tie patches or gussets, to the sill. Create bow tie patches by cutting an approximate 3-inch by 3-inch piece of flashing. Fold in half and cut down the middle to create 2 strips. Then fold in half again and cut the folded corners of each side. Install the bow tie patches to each corner to complete the sill flashing. Before installing the window, seal the top of the flashing with Henry 212 Crystal Clear Sealant. Repeat this step for the other side of the sill. Then install the window, plumb, level, and square per the manufacturer's recommendation. Be sure to apply a continuous bead of sealant behind the window flange at the jambs and head. Do not apply any sealant behind the window flange at the sill when drainage is intended. With the window now in place, install the jamb flashing. Measure jamb height and cut flashing to the length of the jamb. Jamb height plus 2 times the flashing width. Install the jamb flashing, beginning 1 inch less than the width of the flashing in height above the window opening. Repeat the process for the other side. Then install the head flashing. Apply to substrate, allowing the edges to overlap the jamb flashing by 1 inch on both ends. Next, apply a bead of Henry 212 Crystal Clear Sealant along the top edge of the head flashing to create a counter flashing. Tool the sealant as required. Roll the entire flashed window opening and air seal the back of the window as required per the window manufacturer's recommendations.